Hey guys, look what we have here. Bam! 84mm Fastman throttle body, thanks to my man Jay Green hooking me up. But we are going to give him my 82mm ported throttle body. Now I went with this one because, well, actually Jay actually said he wanted an 82 for his wife's car, or his wife's truck, sorry. And he had this one from his old 5.7 setup. He said a straight up trade. They cost the same. I said sure. The 84 is actually better for forced induction. It's bigger for more forced induction. They recommend it for a cam or, you know, anything to flow more air in. I already have a lot of air flowing out with the headers and exhaust and everything else. I will do the install. It's 4 bolts, as you can see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I did an install video already. I'm not going to do a full install video. I will show you when I get this off. You know, this is very easy, you know what I mean, to get off. It's a very easy install. Should take about 5 to 10 minutes. But yeah, I already did an install video. I'm not going to do a full install video, but I will show you the 4 bolts, and I'll show you this when it's all done. Then I got to ship this one back to my man Jay. And yeah, very easy. I'll be right back. Alright guys, as you can see, the 4 bolts are green. I just pulled that one off. Very easy. Very, very simple to do. Let me see if I can show you. I did take the air intake off. And never, ever over torquing these. Yeah, see, you put them on hand tight. Don't over torque it, because if you strip it, you're fucked. Hey Jay, I think mine's actually in better shape than yours. Ha ha ha. Hey, like I said, this is an easy install. 4 simple bolts. Comes right off. This is one of the easiest installs. And also, if you have ported intake manifold, it helps too. For more air. And this is it. That's it. I already took the wires off and everything. This is my 82mm ported intake manifold, and I'll be putting the 84mm ported intake manifold on. All right. Same process. Goes right back on. I know. Like I said, I already did a video of this already, but might as well do another one, right? So my guys always ask me a million questions about some things, so I always try to help as much as I can. Four bolts right back in place, just hand tight, like I said before. Don't over torque them, nothing crazy. And it goes right back on. Alright, I'll tighten these up and I'll show you everything when it's done. Alright, the bolts are back in, guys. Just make sure you always connect your, your air temperature sensor. And like I said, I'm doing this with one hand also, but everything's tight, just hand tight. This goes back into your air intake. And that's it. Very simple, very easy. I did a second one of these, but yes, now I have the upgraded 84mm Fastman throttle body thanks to Jay Green. He is the man, and he gets my 82. Alright, just put the new throttle body on. Everything's great. No surge issues, because a lot of guys say when they put in a ported throttle body, there's surge issues. Jay told me ahead of time this thing's rock solid, which it is, and my 82 is rock solid, so he's getting a rock solid one. Also, we just did a direct switch. I thank you for it again, Jay. I appreciate that. But yeah, as you can see how easy it is to install a ported throttle body. Nothing hard about it. I did it with one hand in 2 minutes. With one hand. With one hand, I did it with 2 minutes while holding the camera. 4 easy bolts. Just tighten them down. Tight as you can get it. No craze. Don't over torque them, like I said, probably 4 or 5 times, because guys like to go crazy with it. And that's all you need. And here's the 82. I will be shipping this to Jay tomorrow. I wanted to do it all today, but I worked really late. I'm working really late lately and a lot of hours, so that's why I have not been uploading in the past week or so. I haven't had time, but everything should be coming. More videos will be coming, obviously. Everyone knows that. But yes, there's the new throttle body, new install. Looking good. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.